What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the collector's edition of Titanfall for Xbox One. And holy shit, is it ever a big box. Right, honey? Yep. Alright, so let's get to it. Right. So first, we'll take off the game that I actually give a shit about, and then we'll open up this. I need a knife. Walk around the box, show them all the things. On the back we have everything it comes with. So there's the actual figurine, an art book, the game itself, a full schematic of one of the Titans, pilot details. Oh no, it's just showing you all kinds of stuff that's going on. We'll take a look at more of that when we actually open up. So that's the back of the box. I've cut all the tape on the top. Yeah, why are you making noise? Honey, stop it. Okay.
One man's journey with his Titan to save the universe.
Is that what it says?
From online teenagers.
Oh, you're making shit up. I'm looking on here to actually see it. And I'm like, is that written?
One man against thousands of children.
I'm sure there's going to be...
I really hope the online's not irritating.
Well, you're the one that's going to be playing it.
Woohoo.
I'm the one that wants the toy. You wanted the game. Besides, I'm going to be upstairs playing Demon Souls. Have fun with your shitty online shooter.
Yeah.
It'll probably be really good.
Have fun with Demon Souls and wanting to commit suicide.
Yeah, that's why I'm playing it in the bedroom, so I just hit pillows instead of walls.
Oh.
Okay, so that's all cut.
Demon dogs.
This box is ridiculous. I have to keep that in good shape because all this is going to go in the basement. With the rest of our collector's edition crap, because we can't put that on display. So that's what the box looks like. It's a Titan silhouette. And then Titanfall collector's edition everywhere else. Okay. Oh wow. So here's the game. Just your generic game. Looks the same as the one you get off the shelf. Appears to be a unpacking instructions on the back of the case here. Not sure if we need that.
Nah.
Oh honey, look! Another art book for your massive collection of art books.
Hooray!
Yeah, it's a hardcover too, it's nice. You think you'll ever even unwrap it?
Probably.
Yeah, you look through it? So we'll set that off to the side. And then this.
The blueprint.
They put a kink in it, packing it. That is unfortunate.
Oh well.
Oh well. Besides, it'll probably go into a frame. We'll hang it up somewhere in the house.
Because we just really love this game.
No! We have all our Assassin's Creed posters in frames.
That's because I actually like that game.
So there is a, I guess, a blueprint schematic of the Atlas. Put that back over there. Now to get this thing out. To use some heavy-duty cardboard. Jeez. Okay. Remove front corner supports, remove game box art book. Carefully remove the entire styrofoam packing. Oh, the computer turned on again. Rafael, what are you doing? What are you eating? Oh, that's that thing. Oh, some stuff behind. We got a certificate of authenticity. Come in close to this. So it's got a serial number, Something for blackberries, I guess. And this is number 3,758 of the total limited edition of 35,000 editions. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty early one. Top of the packaging. There's little soldiers, I guess.
They're pilots.
Well, they're part of the diorama. There's the other one. Okay. Let's see how we do this. They couldn't have made it smaller. There we go. More paper. Instructions on where to put the guys. Those fucking dogs will not shut up. I'm assuming it just comes apart.
I like this side.
Okay. Well, and there you have it. Alright, so now we'll take it out of the styrofoam here. It's actually pretty heavy. Get rid of this. And all of this. Okay, and I'm guessing so many places. Well, there is that paper that tells you. Okay. That guy goes. Okay, so there it all is together. If you want to pass me this for a second. So it actually has built-in lights. There's still some stuff wrapped around that I gotta pull off. But there's a guy that goes back here, one under there, and then these rocks. You press them, and everything changes color. And that'll stay on for about 30 seconds, and then it'll shut off. So there it is. That's what you get for $250. I honestly have like no room for it. Like as you can see, we have a good amount of action figures and collector things in here already. I might clear all this off and put it up there. But yeah. There's really not much shelf space left in here. So I ended up putting it over here on my computer desk. Get some WoW figures. Got another one over there, a few more on order, Halo stuff. But here it is. Get the light. It's actually pretty cool. So depending what team you're on, it'll either glow red or blue. So as you can see, this guy up here is glowing blue. And the Titan is glowing red. You press the button again. Now the Titan's blue. And the guy up there is red. Also, there's some sort of thing down there that flashes and flickers. Whatever that is. But yeah, it's huge. And it's pretty cool. So there you go. It's the unboxing of the Titanfall Collector's Edition. And like I said, I'm gonna go play this. Look at this one. Demon Souls Deluxe Edition, unopened. Just take a look at what that's worth on eBay. Love me my collector's editions. Thanks for watching.